Hi guys!
What up?
We, or I, but we, because I am making him, are gonna do VLOGMAS! VLOGMAS is typically where you vlog every day until Christmas, but I cannot do that. My life is too boring. So we're gonna do, weekly vlogs of VLOGMAS. Black Friday orders rolling in. We bought the Nest Hello for the front door. It's like the Ring, but for Google products, since we have a bunch of Google hubs. This connects to it. We have this huge one, but I don't remember what I ordered. These are pillows. Oh, and blankets.
King size or queen size?
Queen. We got some heavyweight flannel sheets for the winter. Installing the new camera. Do you know what you're doing?
Yes.
You sure?
Yep.
Hello. I just have to put away all my clothes in the drawers. Baby Yoda shorts. Shorts that I never got to wear this summer. The battery's dying. Our bed frame just came in. So we won't be sleeping on the floor on our mattress anymore. Are you helping, Clay? Finally, some furniture. Our first piece of furniture delivered. Woohoo! Beautiful. I ordered some nails off of Static Nails. So I got Mademoiselle and Almond. And then Peony, which is darker than I thought. Sure, these. I just bought the nail glue, which looks like this. Our vacuum came. Our vacuum just arrived. You like it, Clay? You better not attack it. Promise? So, for Black Friday, they were having a deal where you get to choose some attachments along with your vacuum. I forget which one this is, which one I got, but we got this attachment as well as I think this is like an extender. Oh yeah. So I believe this is a bag. So you can carry around, bless you. So you can carry around like your tools, I guess, which might come in handy. With this attachment, also this one of the other one. Ta-da! The main component. Let's put it all together. So this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoops. Goes. Ta-da! Time to put up the wreath. You ready, Clay?
So there's a timer. So it stays on for 6 hours.
Oh.
Here's a wreath. First one going up.
Ta-da! Wow.
It looks pretty even, right?
Yeah. It looks so good on the door. Wow. So cute.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa.
Yeah. For now, this is
Finally hanging the TV. I was looking for Clay. And look at where he is. You like the tree? Here's Clay. What did you just put in your mouth? Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. No couch still. There was a delay, so we'll be getting it next Saturday. This little one will still sit next to me, even though we have no couch. The struggle part of moving is when you can't find that like little thing that you need. Like pretty much we put a lot of things away, minus my makeup, but we've been able to pretty much find everything that we need. But now we want to play Switch and we can't find the little bumpers for our remote, and we have everything else. Like we have the games, we have the other controller, but it's just the little bumpers and we cannot find them, and we don't know where they would be. I'm pretty sure it would have been like with all the other Switch stuff, but now we can't find it, and Maynard doesn't want to play without it for now, so I really don't know where it would be. And mental note for myself, I also cannot find my external hard drive, which like now that I think about it, I haven't seen for a while, and I don't remember packing it, so I have no clue where that is. That means to me it's probably like in a bag somewhere, and I don't know where, so I have to look for that too. But those are the only two things so far since moving in that we can't find. So it's such a little thing amongst all of our things. Found them! They were in my camera box. Yay! Now we can finally play some Switch. Hey! Mario Party on the ground. No couch yet.
Gonna win.
I'm gonna win. I won! Mario Party!
In your dreams, I always win. Show on the screen.
I lost.
That's me.
I just finished getting ready for filming today, and honestly, with the whole move and everything, I haven't filmed a video in 3 weeks, I think. Filming my videos against this beautiful closet background for now until I get that situated. We finally have utensils to cook with instead of one spatula.
Spatula.
This spatula.
Didn't do a lot.
It's dirty, or it's clean. This one giant spatula is what we've been using for everything. I mean, it worked, but now we have all these.
Pull the box down, please.
Oh, sorry. There's only 2 of us, so
Just keep it out the box.
yeah. This is a way for us to not waste any food that we buy. Ooh, this is like a mukbang. Comment down below if you want to see a mukbang from us. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mario Kart time!
Loser takes a shot. Okay, loser takes a shot.
Okay.
You should come.
Okay.
Hennessy.
Nope, you didn't say that until after.
Should see it close.
He wants to get closer.
Can't handle my heart.
It's pooping time. My camera's shaky, it's because I'm cold. Barstool just arrived. Ta-da! Yay, now we finally have somewhere to sit in here. What? TV stand came in. It's a lot of pieces. Okay. You like the TV stand? Like it? Wow, so nice. Thanks for building it. Our couch is arriving today, and it's gonna go right there. So happy. We've been 3 weeks without a couch.
Attempting is the right move, since she hasn't done anything aggressive toward the United Republic.
Not yet.
Look at that little potato. Hi, booger. Wow. 2/3 of our couch has arrived.
And I'm pretty sad.
So our couch delivery was just now, and there's supposed to be a chase right here to make it like an L shape. And they got here and realized that this is the couch color we ordered. The chase part was blue. So we just told them to leave this part that was right, and now we have to wait again. But at least we have somewhere to sit for now, kind of. It looks so funny, but it looks so good, the part that is here. Nice. Is it comfy?
No. Yeah.
Oh. So yeah, there will be one more. Oh.